Today's daily doodle will use mostly straight lines, hatching and cross-hatching to give my shapes a sense of volume. You can see the first shape that I pick out there, the first set of lines, forms an arrow. And dropping off the edge of the arrow, I create the two sides of my very tall building. Imagine standing in the middle of a street in a very large city like Chicago or New York. Looking up above you, you see some very tall buildings towering in the sky. They seem to come from every which direction. Remember, hatching means the lines run parallel to each other. This is a good opportunity to practice your straight parallels. Cross-hatching means the lines cross each other. It makes the surface look darker and the shading more dense. Spacing widely gives the impression that there's less value on the surface. You can truly shade in any direction you wish. Just make sure to position your paper in a way that's convenient for you. You can diminish your mark and make it shorter. You can practice longer marks, always more challenging. You could use the side of your pencil or the side of your marker to make a side very, very dark. And of course, you can leave one side alone, leaving it very, very light. This group of buildings needs to be sorted out. It's a little too confusing, so let's see if changing the amount of value on the different sides might be useful. I think for contrast, I'll leave this side white, and this side can be a gray. Well, at least it can be a lower value than it already was. And maybe I'll treat this side in a similar way. And there you have it, except this building right here. Do you notice how there isn't any contrast between those two sides? And there should be. So let's do that one. Maybe a few clouds. A few very simple birds. And your picture is complete. You try.